In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the ChatGPT for Google extension in Chrome. We're going to go through the full process from finding the extension in the Chrome web store to testing it with a Google search so you can make sure everything is working properly by the end. To get started, open the Chrome web store in your browser. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed, and it's the safest way to install tools like this. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for ChatGPT for Google. When the results appear, select the extension shown in the tutorial. Before installing anything, take a moment to review the extension details carefully. It's always a good habit to check the developer name and look through the permissions the extension is requesting. This helps you confirm that you're installing the correct tool and that you understand what level of access it needs in order to work inside your browser. If everything looks right, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt with a summary of the permissions and what the extension will be able to do. Go ahead and click Add Extension to confirm the installation. After a few seconds, the extension should be added to Chrome. Next, open Chrome's Extensions menu. You'll usually find this near the top right area of the browser window. In that menu, locate the extension you just installed and pin it to the toolbar. Pinning it makes it much easier to access later, especially if you want to open its settings or check whether it's active. At this point, the extension may ask you to sign in or complete a quick configuration. If prompted, follow the setup instructions on screen. This step is important because some extensions need account access or a few preferences selected before they can display results correctly. Once setup is complete, the final step is to test it. Open a Google search and enter any search term you want. After the results load, look beside the regular Google results to see whether ChatGPT appears there. If it does, that means the extension has been installed and configured successfully. If you don't see it right away, give the page a refresh or make sure the extension is enabled in Chrome. And that's it. You've now installed, pinned, and tested the ChatGPT for Google extension in Chrome, and you're ready to start using it alongside your searches.